Top 5 Best Gimbal for GoPro Hero 8. Number 5. FeiyuTech G6 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal. FeiyuTech G6 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal is a gimbal that will provide you the features that you needed for the successful and easy use of your GoPro Hero 8. Look no further because the best gimbal is right in front of you. One of the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 in the market. Product highlights. FeiyuTech G6 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal uses a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth dual working mode for a more efficient and faster connection. It also has a built-in OLED screen that shows the specifications of the gimbal and the camera with the working modes, battery life, and other Bluetooth connection. This product has a huge battery capacity which allows it to run for 12 hours. This product also features trail time-lapse photography, which is a fun mode to use when using the gimbal. This product comes with a mini tripod and a lateral smartphone holder. The good. The product is cheap, smooth, and has good quality. The bad. There are defective products delivered and have no customer service for the product. Pros. It is cheap. Pretty smooth. Good quality. Cons, defective products delivered. No customer service. Coming in number 4. FeiyuTech Vimble 2A Official 3-Axis. The handheld gimbal selfie stick for FeiyuTech Vimble is a superb gimbal that lets you explore the world with your GoPro Hero 8 more effectively and with great quality. One of the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 in the market. Product highlights. Handheld gimbal selfie stick for FeiyuTech Vimble features an extension rod, support switching between landscape mode and portrait mode, Wi-Fi connection for easier access, and automatic password saving that helps skip complicated operation process. This is a gimbal that houses great compatibility with different cameras. This is also a portable and easy-to-carry choice that has a great stabilization feature. This product also has an ergonomic design in which the handle is made for a comfortable grip that reduces stress to a large extent. This gimbal also has a long battery life and has been tested to run for 10 hours for a long shooting process. The good. The product is easy to use, made with great materials, and has great stability. The bad. Some customers complained about the product having a poor connection and it is not compatible with GoPro Hero 8. Pros: easy to use. Great materials used. Great stability. Cons: a poor connection. Not compatible with GoPro Hero 8. Coming in number 3. FeiyuTech G6 Max 3-Axis Splashproof. Aim for a product that would give you the quality, performance, and feature that you have wanted to achieve with your GoPro Hero 8. The FeiyuTech G6 Max 3-Axis Splashproof Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer is the perfect choice if you are going for the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8. One of the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 in the market. Product highlights. FeiyuTech G6 Max 3-Axis Splashproof Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer is a gimbal with great compatibility with GoPro Hero 8 and other similar products. This product houses an OLED screen that offers information that is pertinent to the user for easy navigation. This product also has a 5000 mAh battery that is enough to supply a long project. This product also has an extension pole and a tripod that would help you set up your recording camera in place. Since this product has a huge battery capacity, this product could go for 12 hours of running time that would be enough to finish your desired project. The good. The product comfortable to use, lightweight, and has the perfect thickness for a gimbal. The bad. The product has poor quality and has software problems. Pros: comfortable to use. It is lightweight. Perfect thickness for gimbal. Cons: a poor quality. Software problems. Coming in number 2. Jiyun Crane M3 Gimbal 3-Axis. Jiyun Crane M3 Gimbal 3-Axis Handheld Stabilizer product that offers amazing stabilization and improvements on your GoPro Hero 8 camera. If you are looking for the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8, then the Jiyun Crane M3 Gimbal 3-Axis Handheld Stabilizer is a sound choice and would leave you satisfied with the features it offers. One of the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 in the market. Product highlights. Jiyun Crane M3 Gimbal 3-Axis Handheld Stabilizer is a 3-axis gimbal that is made for action cameras such as the GoPro Hero 8. This product features an extension rod that easily gets you a higher shooting view and provides a convenient low-angle shooting. This is also a lightweight product for easier use and can shoot by just connecting to the Wi-Fi of the camera. This is also equipped with the GoPro quick release system that allows for quick installment and compatibility. You could quickly switch between landscape and portrait mode with this gimbal, and you could also customize the trigger button for different functions depending on your habit. There is also a motor overheat protection feature in this product and could bring you comfort while using it with the ergonomic design that aims for a comfortable and easy hold that reduces the stress of holding the gimbal. The good. This product lightweight, smooth and has great build quality. The bad. This product has poor compatibility and damaged products were delivered to some customers. Pros. It is lightweight. Pretty smooth. Great build. Cons: poor compatibility. Damaged products delivered. Coming in number 1. Handheld Gimbal Tripod Mount. If you are looking for the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 that would maximize your GoPro Hero 8's performance, then you might want to try the amazing Handheld Gimbal Tripod Mount Splash-Proof iSteady Pro 3, which would hit the home run on your standards. One of the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 8 in the market. Product highlights. Handheld Gimbal Tripod Mount Splash-Proof iSteady Pro 3 is one of the great gimbals for GoPro Hero 8. It offers the newest 3-axis action camera gimbal that is best suited for the GoPro Hero 8. It has great stability and delivers hypersmooth footage no matter how heavy your movements and how shaky you are when filming it. This product uses the iSteady stabilizer to capture the dynamic details for high-quality videos. This product also features a sports mode with a push of a button that allows for a fast following of movements. This could also be used with a remote control where you could adjust the stings and personalize your gimbal with its multi-operating mode. This product also has IPX4 water resistance and has 12 hours of battery life, so you are sure to have a well-protected product for outdoor use while having a battery life that would be perfect for heavy-duty projects. Lastly, this product has high compatibility with the newest camera and camcorder in the market, which gives it the versatility of use. The good. This product has image stabilization, great battery life, and has great stability. The bad. The product has poor compatibility and there are defective products delivered. Pros: image stabilization. Great stability. Great battery life. Cons: poor compatibility. Defective products delivered.